Hey, my name is Sankalp, PGPM 1114 batch, and I'm from the operations branch. I was also heading the placement activity of my batch. Prior to joining PGPM, I had 5.5 years of experience, including 2 years of international experience, all into product development. I was a key designer of chiller for Hitachi and Blue Star, and I decided to take this break mainly because I felt life was a bit monotonous and needed to explore. Landed here at SPJMR, and yes, today I can say that things have changed for better. What transformation this program brought, I could say, the most common word you hear, the holistic approach. So holistic not only in terms of the knowledge that you enhance. 1 year is too less a time for being a subject expert of any of the 44 credits that you have out here, but it gives you a glimpse of all the various aspects of the business management today. Living a life out here as a student in this 1 year program, it gives you an opportunity not only to interact with the people coming from various walks of life and varied experience, but also from various age groups. So you get to gel in, you get to understand yourself better, and you understand how to work with various group of people, because post MBA, that is what you have to do. You have to manage people. So it's a good platform, I must say. My new assignment is with IBM. I'm joining IBM as a senior consultant in their advisory group, the management strategy group. Mostly I'll be taking care of analytics, something which is new to me, and whatever little I have gained in analytics is due to the program that I had over here in SPJM. Would like to definitely mention the placement activity that we handled. Compared to last year, if you see, this year it has been a roller coaster ride. It has been brilliant in terms of the roles, and mostly I would say roles. We had a batch of 136 with over 106 unique profiles. So and the average experience being 7 years. So getting say 106 unique profiles or 136 students placed with what they want, in line with what the industry wants, and mapping each person to the company over a period of time is not an easy task, but that was something we could do in a good time. And yes, today I feel at the convocation I can see all happy faces. That is all what I can say.